Today we're going to be reviewing base 10 blocks and using base 10 blocks to represent a number. First, we're going to talk about the value of them. If we were to bring this down to our board, this would represent 1, and we call it a cube. We can call it a ones, and the value of it is 1. So if we were to bring out 10 of them, that would be the same value as a 10. So I'm going to pull these over here so that you can see that they are the same. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is worth, bring over the drawing tools, 1, and this is worth 10, and this is worth 10. The value of them is 10. 10 ones equals 10. We can call these a long or a rod or a tens. So we have ones or cubes or blocks and tens, rods or longs. Now the next value is the hundreds. So 100 we call a flat. And a flat is actually 10 tens. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to erase my numbers. So hang on just a second. So now I have my flat or my hundreds. And I'm going to bring out 10 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And put those together. And this is a website that you can go to practice making them, using them. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Oh, I took too many because I took my 1 from up there. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. It is the same as this. So if I were going to write this number, this is 100. If I were going to write this number, I have 2 100s or 2 flats. I have 1 10 and 1 1. So I could write this as 200. That would be in the hundreds place. I have 1 10 and I have 1 1. 2 hundreds, 1 10, and 1 1. So now that I've reviewed ones, tens, and hundreds, I'm going to show you a few numbers. Let's say we're going to start out with 362. I'm going to start in the hundreds place, and I'm going to bring out 300s. There's my 300s. It doesn't matter where I put them because you can see that the value of it is still 300s. The tens place, I have 6 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to move those over here. And now I have my ones place. 2 ones. Those over here. I have 3 hundreds, 6 tens, 2 ones is 362. Now we're going to try it the other way. Let's see if we can figure out what number these base 10 blocks are representing. So think first about how many hundreds you have. If you said 4, you were correct. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 100s. So I'm going to write a 4 in the hundreds place. Now I don't know that this is the hundreds, except that I'm going to put everything else to the right of it. Now I'm going to go to the tens place. How many tens do I have? If you said 2, you were right. And how many ones do I have? If you said 3, you were correct. The number is 423. The value of the 4 is 400. The value of the 2 is 20. The value of the 3 is 3.